In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Notion to dark mode. We'll walk through this process together, step by step, so you can easily toggle your Notion workspace to a darker theme, which can be easier on the eyes, especially during nighttime or extended use. So let's get started. First, head over to your Notion workspace. If you haven't already signed in, make sure you do so. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Notion website URL. Once there, click on Login. You'll find this option at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login credentials, and you'll be directed to your Notion home. With access to your Notion home, look towards the left margin of the screen for the familiar sidebar. Here, you're going to find a gear icon usually labeled as Settings. Click on Settings, and this action will open up a new menu specifically for your workspace preferences. Within the Settings menu, look for the Appearance option. This is where you can customize how your Notion workspace looks. So, go ahead and click on Appearance. It's important to note that customizing the appearance can really make a difference in comfort and usability, especially if you spend a considerable amount of time in Notion. Once you're in the appearance settings, you'll see an option labeled Use System Setting. By clicking this, Notion will automatically adjust its theme based on your device's current settings. So, if you have dark mode enabled on your operating system, Notion would automatically switch to dark mode as well. However, if you want to customize this regardless of your system settings, proceed to click directly on the dark option. Selecting dark switches your Notion to dark mode immediately, giving it that sleek, muted charcoal look. And just like that, your Notion is now in dark mode. This view not only looks stylish, but also helps reduce glare from the screen. If you change your mind or need to switch back to light mode, you can easily return to the appearance settings and choose light instead. Remember, being able to toggle between modes can significantly enhance your user experience. It's about what works best for your eyes and environment. Now you're ready to enjoy Notion with cool dark aesthetics whenever you wish. That wraps up today's tutorial on switching Notion to dark mode. I hope you found this walkthrough simple and effective. If you've enjoyed this guide, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and have a great day customizing your workspace.